Papa told me to always look where I'm going. Don't run or you'll miss the scenery around you. Oh mama, I'm sorry, I'm gonna keep running, keep falling. I won't listen, won't ever stop, even when my knees are bleeding, my lips are swelling, my tears are welling when the bugs are biting. The wind is blowing and the sun is scorching. I know where I'm going and I swear I'm looking. Mama told me to always look where I'm going, but I kept running, stepping on the path she leads. Appa, I miss the great green field, the red-eyed Zora, and a few friends because of some drama. Oh Abba, I'm sorry, now I know who I am, where I am. Hear the fields scream and the eggs are blues. Well, tell me, when did I change? Don't care for better or for worse. I know my heart is in a thirst to sing the tunes out of me. Give me one more chance to live. Shines all year long, but it's so cold. When the rain falls on my face, it feels like I'm at home. No snow in the south, but the clouds in my mind fog up the panes of my teary eyes. Don't waste your time on the end of the world. If I was the only one, would you let me go? I belong at home, in my bed, and maybe there I will stay. Don't waste your time on the end of the world. Fireflies and ladybugs may never return, but they'll live on in your heart, so don't you bother, dear. Find the fire in me. I hear voices from afar, trying to ease my mind. The stars glow so piercing bright, they light up my eyes. I run to the skies and I face the light. Don't waste your time on the end of the world. If I was the only one, would you let me go? I belong at home, in my bed, and maybe there I will stay. Don't waste your time on the end of the world. Take your flight to ladybugs, be never return. Live on in your heart, don't you bother, dear. Don't you bother, dear, I will be okay. Listen. I know this sounds cheesy and to love me isn't easy, but will you stay and listen for a while? No time, pockets empty, and I'd hope that this was plenty. All I ever wanted was to see you smile. When I see your perfect face, I always think I found my place. I can't help but be so tata. Together we're Nasi, Lemak and Sambal. You've been so kind and patient, boy of my imaginations. Oh my Danny, can't you please just stay with me? Together we'll get through this, and for you I'll make that promise. So just trust in my leash on guarantee. You're my precious Danny honeybee. When I see your perfect face, I always think I found my place. I can't help but be so gata. Together we're Nasi, Lemak and Sambal. When I close my eyes, all I see is you. I wanna reach out and take your hand in mine. I will be a greater girl, you'll see. So Danny, give me one more chance than I foresee. You will not regret staying with me. When I see your perfect face, I always think I found my place. I can't help but be so gata. Together we're Nasi, Lemak and Sambal. Yeah.
Voices in my head, I'm running out of breath. The world is now hazy. The sky is closing in, the walls are crumbling. I don't need this now, baby. I can't stay here anymore. I need you to take me. When I look, I see you're not there. I know it's too late because I wanna stay cool, but I can't get you out of my head. I'm acting like a fool, cause I need you out of my head. Na 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 na, get out of there. Na 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 na, get out of there.
Boxes in the corners, like you never left before, as if it was a dream. Standing on the sidewalk, look back at the times we had. Daisies round your ear, the sun shining on our cheeks. I wanted to tell myself that you'll never leave us here. I wanted to tell myself that we will still be together, because it never did hit me that you were never walking on the dark streets under the rainy weather. It all reminds me of you. He told me to let go, and she asked me to stop. It feels good to mean it when I say I'm okay. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. I wanted to tell myself that you'll never leave us here. I wanted to tell myself that we will still be together, because oh, it never did hit me that you were never coming back to me, because oh, I finally learned to put the past away, to live my life for me. But I miss